Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the error code 404 in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. And it's usually means the page, experience or assert you are trying to access does not exist or cannot be found. It's due to the game or experience was deleted by the creator, or link or URL is broken or typed incorrectly, the item is private or restricted, or the Roblox server had a temporary glitch. So here gonna fix that issues. So our first step is to check the game link. Make sure the link or URL is typed correctly, and here I'm searching the game using the link. So sometimes if the link has expired or you had typed the wrong link over there, it may cause the error. So our second step is to search the game manually. Please search the game manually instead of clicking the link. Go to the Roblox search bar and type the game name. If it shows up, the link you used is outdated. In case if it's not shows up, the game is deleted by the creator. So sadly we can't fix this issue, only the creator can restore it. And try to use the different device or browser. Sometimes cached error triggered 404. So clear your browser cache or try another browser or device. So here what you are going to do is we are going to clear the cache. So for that you need to enter into the three dot icon and browser data. Once you clicked, it shows like cookies or other site or cache data. Please delete that cache data and then try to use the Roblox application. If it's not goes well, just try to check the Roblox server status. So for that you need to enter into the browser and search as status.roblox.com and click the link Roblox status, and here it shows all the system are operational, so it's good to go. In case it shows like some issue or yellow color stated, you need to wait until the Roblox server issue is solved from the Roblox side. So in our case it's good to go. So I think you enjoyed the video, and thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.